In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add text shake effect in Davinci Resolve. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Davinci Resolve, then go down to the Fusion tab down here, and then add a text plus, like so. Then you need to select the text one, and go over here to Inspector and write anything you really want. So I'm going to just click shake, and then you can adjust the text as you want. Then from here, you need to go over to shading, go down to position, scroll down until you see the offset and right click on it. Then from here you need to click modify with shake, like so. Then from here you need to go up to modifiers and go up to shake, and then you need to select the smoothness down to about 0.2. Let's just put it that. Then from here you need to go down to the maximum and put it down as well, as you can see here over in the screen. Then from here you need to add the motion blur, and to do that you need to go over to tools. You need to scroll up until you see settings, and then you can enable the motion blur, like so, and then you can fiddle around with the motion blur if you want to do that. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!